Welcome back to Travelporium. Escape to serenity. Discover the world's most picturesque seaside villages. This is a captivating journey through 15 breathtaking coastal destinations, each brimming with unique charm and natural beauty. From the iconic blue-domed churches of Santorini to the colorful cottages of Polperro, this collection invites you to explore the world's most enchanting seaside escapes. Subscribe to Travelporium for more inspiring travel content and start planning your next serene adventure today. Number 15. Polperro, England. Nestled along the rugged Cornwall coast, Polperro is a quintessential English fishing village with a captivating charm. Its colorful cottages line the narrow streets that wind down to a picturesque harbor, creating a postcard-perfect scene. Visitors can explore the quaint streets, enjoy fresh seafood, and take in the serene coastal views. Polperro's timeless beauty and maritime heritage make it a delightful destination for those seeking a taste of coastal England. Number 14. Vernazza, Italy. Vernazza, one of the 5 villages in Cinque Terre, is a coastal gem perched along the Italian Riviera. Its dramatic beauty is characterized by colorful buildings nestled on steep cliffs, overlooking the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean. Visitors can explore narrow, winding streets, indulge in fresh seafood, and soak in the mesmerizing coastal vistas. Vernazza's unique charm and natural splendor make it a must-visit destination for lovers of seaside beauty and Italian culture. Number 13. Hallstatt, Austria. Hallstatt, a fairy tale village nestled on the shores of Lake Hallstatt, is often considered one of Austria's most picturesque destinations. Its alpine beauty is reflected in the pristine lake waters and mirrored in the historic architecture of the village. Visitors can explore charming streets, visit the iconic boathouse, and take in the serene beauty of the Gstaad. Hallstatt's idyllic setting and timeless appeal make it a true gem in the heart of Europe. Number 12. Oya Santorini Greece. Oya, a village perched on the cliffs of Santorini, Greece, is renowned for its captivating beauty. Its iconic blue-domed churches and whitewashed buildings offer a striking contrast against the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea. Oya is famous for its breathtaking sunsets, romantic atmosphere, and winding pathways that lead to panoramic viewpoints. It's a destination that beckons travelers seeking a blend of natural splendor and Greek island charm. Number 11. Portree, Scotland. Portree, the largest town on the Isle of Skye, Scotland, is a captivating seaside village surrounded by rugged natural beauty. Colorful buildings encircle a picturesque harbor, offering a postcard-worthy scene. Visitors can explore the island's stunning landscapes, including the iconic Old Man of Storr and fairy pools. Portree's combination of coastal charm and wild Scottish scenery makes it a remarkable destination for those seeking the allure of the Scottish Highlands. Number 10. Positano, Italy. Perched dramatically on the cliffs of the Amalfi coast, Positano is a vertical village that boasts unparalleled coastal beauty. Its cascading pastel-colored buildings, labyrinthine streets, and pebble beaches frame the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Visitors can savor exquisite Italian cuisine, explore charming boutiques, and soak in the breathtaking views. Positano's romantic ambience and stunning scenery make it a must-visit destination for lovers of seaside beauty. Number 9. Cinque Terre, Italy. Comprising 5 enchanting villages, Cinque Terre is a collective gem along the Italian Riviera. These picturesque seaside communities, including Vernazza, offer a harmonious blend of rugged coastal beauty and Mediterranean charm. Visitors can hike the scenic trails that connect these villages, savor local cuisine, and bask in the sun on pebble beaches. Cinque Terre's timeless allure and dramatic landscapes create an unforgettable coastal experience. Number 8. St. Ives, England. St. Ives, nestled along the Cornish coast, is a picturesque seaside village celebrated for its artistic heritage and stunning beaches. With golden sands and crystal-clear waters, it's a haven for beach lovers. The town's narrow, cobbled streets wind through a delightful mix of galleries, boutiques, and eateries. St. Ives is a delightful blend of natural beauty and cultural charm, making it a must-visit destination in the UK. Number 7. Halberd Belgium. Although not a traditional seaside village, Halberd in Belgium is a natural wonder. This enchanting forest comes alive in spring with a breathtaking carpet of bluebells, creating a fairy tale-like atmosphere. Visitors can wander through the woods, taking in the vibrant colors and fragrant blooms. Halberd offers a unique and tranquil escape for those seeking the beauty of nature in a serene setting. Number 6. Manarola, Italy. Nestled within the rugged beauty of Cinque Terre, Manarola stands as a captivating coastal village. Its colorful buildings cling to steep cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, creating a postcard-perfect scene. Visitors can explore its charming streets, sample local seafood, and savor the stunning views. Manarola's unique blend of natural beauty and quaint architecture make it an unforgettable destination along the Italian coastline. Number 5. 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗨𝗧 Switzerland. Tucked away in the Swiss Alps, 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗨𝗧 is a tranquil mountain village that enchants nature lovers and hikers alike. Surrounded by stunning alpine scenery, it offers a serene escape from the bustling world. Visitors can embark on scenic hikes through pristine landscapes, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and experience the timeless beauty of Switzerland's highlands in this picturesque, off-the-beaten-path destination. Number 4. Monterosso al Mare, Italy. As the largest of the 5 villages in the Cinque Terre region, Monterosso al Mare is a vibrant coastal destination. It is renowned for its pristine sandy beaches, clear waters, and striking seafront promenade. The village is divided into 2 parts: the historic Old Town with its charming narrow streets, and the modern Fagina district with its resort-like atmosphere. Monterosso offers a variety of activities, from hiking along coastal trails to indulging in local seafood delicacies, making it an ideal stop for travelers exploring this iconic Italian coastline. Number 3. Portofino, Italy. Nestled along the Italian Riviera, Portofino exudes elegance and sophistication. Its picturesque harbor is a playground for luxurious yachts, while pastel-colored buildings line the waterfront. Visitors indulge in fine dining, high-end shopping, and scenic walks to the Castello Brown for panoramic views of the Mediterranean. Portofino's timeless charm and beauty make it a favorite among discerning travelers seeking a coastal retreat. Number 2. Riomaggiore, Italy. As the southernmost jewel of Cinque Terre, Riomaggiore enchants with its rustic allure. This seaside village beckons with colorful homes hugging the cliffs, a charming waterfront, and vineyard-covered hillsides. Visitors explore its labyrinthine streets, savor local wines, and embark on scenic hikes along the dramatic coastal trails, immersing themselves in the quintessential Mediterranean coastal experience. Number 1. Amalfi, Italy. Nestled on the breathtaking Amalfi coast, Amalfi is a charming coastal village known for its dramatic beauty. Its cliffside location offers stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. The village boasts colorful buildings, a historic cathedral with intricate architecture, and a bustling piazza. Visitors can explore the narrow streets, savor local cuisine, and relax on the picturesque beaches. Amalfi is not only a visual delight, but also a cultural and culinary experience, making it a must-visit destination along the Italian coastline. Thanks for joining us on this virtual journey through picturesque seaside villages. If you enjoyed the video and were inspired by these breathtaking destinations, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to us.